Okay.
Wait, shouldn't those have exploded?
They're mine. You have to step on them. Technically, I didn't step on them. I guess. You know that show I Shouldn't Be Alive? That is this game since I left that robot shop. Oh my god.
Yeah, I forgot. I almost forgot you only had one health. Help!
Good, now I have 2.
Crap.
Yeah, I'm balling now.
There's another one!
Yeah, it's just
Oh, good. Now the game's just gonna give you nothing but...
It was beeping. Of course it was going to explode.
Explode. It's just lazy. Just break the boxes.
I just want to get up here! I wouldn't have been able to if I didn't do that. No, what's lazy is later on. I think it's in this game. It might not have been in this one. But near the end of the game, you can get an item that makes where you do this attack, and it just breaks all the boxes around you.
Hey, that's cool.
Although, now I think about it, I don't know if that's in this game.
It's in a different one.
It's definitely in 3. I don't remember much from 2. 2 was really hard.
Well, we're gonna play it.
Yeah, right after I finish this one.
Yeah. Whether you like it or not, we are going to play it.
I'm okay with playing it.
Now, if people want us to, are we gonna play it before or after BioShock / Devil May Cry?
We'll cater to the fans, I guess.
Naturally.
See, why are these dogs whining when I hit them?
Because they dog robots.
Yeah, but that's just sad. Like, why would you make a whining dog? Like,
Because all dogs go to heaven, and now you're killing people. I don't know.
have you ever seen Futurama? All robots go to hell.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Goodbye, Clank.
Well, he doesn't die. Spoiler alert. I mean, you know, they've made enough of these games where I guess that wouldn't be a spoiler, but...
I don't know. I haven't played the game, so anything I say can't be taken as fact.
Oh. If I had died there, I would have been really upset with myself.
What? I was doing duck lips.
Yeah, I noticed you thought.
Gotta Snapchat them pretty ladies. You're just jealous because you ain't got no hoes.
Neither do you.
You say that, but you don't know my name.
You're sending it to your husband. Yes, I do! Oh, whoops. Well,
Hi.
solve that problem, didn't it?
Wait, are you at max health now?
No.
You're still up here. Stop it, you dude.
What? They
You're
shot a
sending-
rocket at
You're
me.
sending them to hell.
I think those were people. I mean, just to the ghetto of this planet, which I assume is near the bottom.
Your shirt has the devil's number on it.
I'm not wearing a shirt.
You're not wearing a shirt?
Or, wait, you mean me as in me? Or
Your shirt!
where does my shirt have the
Right here! If you flip this upside down, that is a 6, a 6, and a 6.
Yeah, but it's not upside down, so it's 3 9s. Oh, I am at below.
Listen. The monster logo.
Look, we're not gonna get into that.
Oh, you totally just barely missed mines.
Yeah,
You could have exploded.
but I didn't.
Because
Let's
that's
see, which
gay.
planet does this go to?
Greetings, Agent
Oh, yeah.
German Drek.
Dispense with the pleasantries, Lieutenant. My sources tell me you're behind schedule. You must prepare
Schedule?
this planet to be harvested for
Oh,
our
we're actually
new
not gonna go
world.
here for a minute.
Yes, sir.
When I think about it.
As you can see, everything is moving along as planned.
And as your former commander can tell you, I don't take disappointment well.
Yes, sir. I won't fail.
Out back there laughing.
Drek is destroying yet another planet. Yeah, but if that's the kind of help he's getting, I don't think we have anything to worry about.
You should not underestimate Chairman Drek. He is quite dangerous. We must find Captain Quark.
Look, that lieutenant doesn't seem so tough. Let's take him out ourselves.
Perhaps we can persuade the lieutenant to tell us where Drek is.
Now you're talking.
So cool, dude. But I don't like how Ratchet is just so open to befriending a robot that he's never even seen before.
He lived alone on a planet with just frog people. Do you think? They weren't even people, they were just frogs. Like,
wouldn't that make him more suspicious of other people, though?
I don't know.
Like, if somebody just
he
showed
clearly,
up...
He can clearly speak perfect whatever the language is supposed to be. And he built a ship. He's not an idiot. He's not like some tribal.
I don't know. He seems pretty dumb to me.
Nah. Anyway, now we're going here. It's funny because the extra item we got here, like the slingshot, gets us another item on this planet, which unlocks an important door on the planet we're about to go to. So if you do these planets out of order, you can get really messed up quick.
Yeah, but you're not doing them out of order
No.
because you're a nerd for this game.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's so dark.
Yeah, it is.
You gotta see if there's like some way to... Can you brighten your TV?
No. Maybe.
You gotta look into doing that.
Huh?
You gotta look into doing that.
It'll be okay. It'll be fine. Hey, look, there's Skid.
Everything's fine.
It's him, Skid McMarks.
That
Oh,
man
it is
from the
Skid Marks.
infobot.
What's up, dude?
In the flash, little dude. You guys get a load of that epic space battle I was in?
We saw you, screaming for help.
That was like a war cry. My agent and I got ambushed on the way to hoverboard practice.
Did he survive the crash, sir?
He's okay, but I've had a little trouble getting back to my ship due to my sprained ankle.
Oh, come on.
If you can take out all the sand sharks, I just might have a spare hoverboard for you.
We'd love to help you, Mr. McMarks, but
He has
Ratchet
two
and I need to
toes.
find Captain...
Yeah.
One of yours.
He only also has 2 fingers.
I've always
And
wanted
thumbs.
A decent hoverboard.
So he can grip.
Look, see.
All right.
Which is something I always found
Just
weird
keep
about
that
this game.
foot
If you
on.
notice, Ratchet's the only character in this game who has 5 fingers.
Not even Clank.
No, not even Clank. It's just Ratchet.
Is that true for the series, or is that just this game?
Well, there are, for the most part, no, there are other characters.
You have to think about that.
I did have to think about it. I wasn't sure.
You got big.
Yeah, dude. Now I'm gonna. What? I don't even have that. That's the flamethrower that I don't have.
Uh-oh. Should've got the flamethrower.
No. I mean, the flamethrower would help at this part, I suppose, but you don't need it.
I don't know. Would you say it's better to have something but not need it? You're at 1 health. Rather than to need something and not have it?
I mean, I agree with you, but remember, everything's expensive in this game.
It's okay then. Prostitution. Don't you know?
Don't know what.
Prostitution is a thing.
Yeah, I guess. Oldest profession in the world.
Yeah. Got that bullshit.
I'm just getting these instinctively now because I just know where they are.
My god. Why?
Why? I don't know.
Why is that a thing that you know?
What, where that one is?
Where all of them are!
I don't know where they all are.
Is there a limited number of them in the game?
Yeah.
Have you ever found them all?
No? And later on, they actually give you an item that vaguely shows you where some of them are.
Vaguely shows you.
Where some of them are. Look, when I get it, which is actually really close to the end of the game, if you remember this conversation, I'll show you what I mean.
I probably won't.
Okay, well, this game has a map. And you'll get an item that'll highlight areas with secret things in green. And that's all it does.
I mean, that's kind of useful.
Sure, but not super until new games.
It's the mini kit detectors from Lego Star Wars.
Those don't help.
They never did. Run away!
Aw, dang it. Are they not all here? Wait. There. Oh, good. They are here. Because if they weren't here, I was going to have to track them down. That would have been annoying.
Here, man. Catch.
A brand new Z3000. You can't even buy these.
Well,
Yeah.
I got a bail. Catch you
You
dudes.
can ride it till it catches on fire.
You've just acquired a Gadgetron Z3000 hoverboard. Use your new hoverboard at the racetrack in Blackwater City on Planet Grill.
Bam.
I should have taken damage. Like that.
Took damage there.
Yeah. I can't tell if they were bombs. I didn't see the little exploding mark on them.
I don't know. I'm just distrusting of anything red.
I didn't see that it was red.
That one was red.
That one, yeah, I saw that one.
Oh, that's not water, is it?
No?
Is it like instant death?
But it's close. Like, it can insta-kill you, but, like, you can do that.
Oh,
and I think
so it's like quicksand
Yeah.
in game. So you can like just jump out.
Kind of. You don't have infinite jump.
Oh.
Yeah, you can do that, like, twice, I think, and then it'll kill you.
Well, are the jumps high?
Saw how one was. So, that's pretty much par for the course.
No.
Yeah, that man's using a flamethrower. If I hit him with a bomb, that pack should explode.
It's okay. This game doesn't make sense.
Sure it does. I'm an alien cat man, and I'm here to do things. Stuff.
Because you're busy fighting the president of O'Hare Air.
O'Hare Air.
O'Hare Air. It's from the Lorax.
I've never seen the Lorax.
Never seen the Lorax?
No!
Oh my god. We need to watch the Lorax. He speaks for the trees.
No, I'm kidding. Alright, here's why we need it.
You know what's even better about the Lorax? It's Danny DeVito.
The Lorax is Danny DeVito?
Yeah, you didn't know that?
No. Oh, now I do want to see it.
I wonder if our buddy Nick knows this. A good doctor. Dr.Swooce.
I knew that one was there.
Did you?
Yeah, I knew that one was there too.
Then why did you hit him?
Because it doesn't matter. I'm not going to take damage in this course. I don't think there are any
You
enemies.
just took damage.
Well, other than that, I'm not going to take damage because I don't think there are enemies. I'm pretty sure it's all just this.
Those are all exploding.
Now they're not.
Was it Ratchet Clank that got remade recently?
Yeah.
No, I'm thinking of Crash Bandicoot.
Oh, the Insane Trilogy. Yeah, no, Ratchet Clank the first one did get remade, but that was,
Yeah, you told me about that.
Yeah, and they
But I'm
haven't
talking about
made
like recently. But no,
fairly
that
recent.
was
It was still a PS4 remake.
but I wasn't thinking of that. I was thinking of Crash Bandicoot.
Yeah, the Insane Trilogy is more recent than that. Whoops. I don't.
Oh.
Sweet one, I should be alive.
Oh.
I don't know where I'm going.
Oh. Oh. Okay.
Is a this where I'm supposed to be going?
What did you do?
No. I died there.
Okay. What's that?
It unlocks doors.
Yes!
No! My god. Did you know that was there? My god. Landed.
Well, the hint's supposed to be like when you come in the room, you see the orb right there, and you have to wonder, well, what's that for? Because you didn't need it to get in here.
My
Lasers are mounted on each ring of the invincible.
Oh look, it's lockpicking. It's like Skyrim.
Ring to turn them green. All receptors must be green before the
Lockpicking 99.
But yeah, no. That minigame can get really hard.
I mean, I'd imagine so.
Well, later on, they have like these little posts on it that just serve as blockers.
Wait, does Clank have propellers on his back too?
Yeah.
Or on his...
It's his arms and his head.
Oh, I didn't know it was his arms too.
They showed him in the cutscene.
Did they?
Yeah.
I didn't notice. I wasn't paying attention. I was thinking about other things.
Have a nice day.
Thump.
Yay, explosions. I wasn't sure if that was an explosive or an ammo box. I just
You
guessed-
just went for it.
Yeah.
No hesitation. Name a part of the body that starts with the letter T. Titties.
I don't know anymore.
The...
Does that count?
Yes. Tibia? Trachea?
Tail?
Okay, I guess.
Human body, I guess.
Like, there's plenty. That was just the thing he said. I don't know if you've seen that episode.
I have. I don't think propellers really work like this.
Look at Ratchet over there shimmying on the,
Just trying to go.
No signal whatsoever.
Oh, it's the other guy.
Time is killing me.
Do you need medical attention, sir?
Don't be so literal, son. The problem is I'm
Don't be so
stranded on
literal,
this
son.
backwater planet and my star client is nowhere to be found.
Hey, we saw you on that info bot. You're Skid's agent.
Was Skid's agent. Haven't seen him since our ship crashed. And an agent without a client is like a flea without a dog. Say, you look like an athletic kid. If you can bring back the championship prize from the hoverboard races in Blackwater City, I'll make you my next star.
We have no time for trivial matters, sir.
I could be the next Skid McMarks.
Oh, you know what?
Yo.
We didn't have to do this part. Well, they ask you to win the race, and when you win the race, you can come back to them and get a gadget that you don't need to beat the game, but it helps. It's just a weapon, really. But you totally don't have to ever do that, so we're probably not going
So you
to.
just did a bunch of useless stuff?
Well, everything else I did on this planet served a purpose. Like, you actually need the hoverboard to beat the game, and you,
That's nonsense.
No, you totally do.
Nonsense.
No, like, later on, there's a race you have to win. And the prize is like, something you really need. So,
You can't win it without the hoverboard?
well, it would be hard to enter a race without your thing. You know? You feel me?
I'll do car races in GTA on foot
Yeah.
and win.
Sure. Reuse cheat codes.
No.
Yes, quite lovely. That should just about do it. Commander, we are finished with this world. Commence towing our planet to its next destination. Lieutenant!
Yes, sir.
You have fulfilled your tree quota. Barely.
We are ready to return to base.
Not so fast, Lieutenant. Just because we don't need any more trees doesn't mean they should have them. Destroy everything.
Seems like a nice guy.
I don't know. I don't understand. But, hey. Loading screen.
Also, there's a lot of cutscenes in this game.
Yeah. But, you know. It's fun. I like it. It tells you a story. Lets you know what the bad guy's doing. Games don't really do that anymore.